What's the meaning of acorn? Acorn. 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 Acorn refers to the small, oval-shaped nut that comes from an oak tree. It is typically around 2 to 3 centimeters long and has a brown, slightly pointed outer shell that encases a single seed. Acorns have been a significant food source for many animals and humans throughout history, as they are rich in complex carbohydrates, protein, and other nutrients. They also play a vital ecological role, with squirrels and other animals caching acorns as a winter food source and the nuts themselves serving as an important seed dispersal mechanism for oak trees.